ndio miji vatonyaga kanyerega kathongi rigitani kithomo moteri miako caregivers okamatiwa mirigo bari mandereba na kinya ciagiotea turiongere mutindo jokangangi ya Sara Plaza build
for all of time until quietly something shifts, moving from someday to now. Women are not honored in time, they are woven through it, shaping every story, every voice, every breath. We are because she is, and because tomorrow they will be. Kwa kibanda na nyumbani anywhere, hey! Tunalea, anywhere, hey! Tunalea, premium. Tunapika, pika na lea, premium. Tunashiba, shiba na lea, premium. Unga clean, unga fine, very nice.
Karanki amenia na kada ithite ndawa ja kulebya na ino ni jojile kilemera na muguka na gwa kiwango kingile kile muguka.
The Plant Act recognizes plant, the Mira plant, as a cash crop. The Psychotropic and Narcotics and Psychotropic Substance Act of 1994, as revised in 2022, has a schedule that has scheduled caffeine and cathinone as a controlled substance, as a drug, and that is where we borrowed that and included it in our schedule.
Abisa munene wa nakada Antonio Merikwa akiuga kulingana utungata bogima bwa mwili muguka ni uthiite na mbere kuleta thina ja mili muno kilimo na bingi na baingi bakithagila na thina ja mathugania.
Now, from a health perspective, the carnage that muguka has meted on Kenyans is evident, and these people are turning up in the rehabilitation centers with a lot of health complications, including mental health. So for the consumers, it portends a big risk.
So I think it's a high time that you take the bull by the horn. And I think our brothers in the Meru
ya kigonga mwena mirandi ingi ota withire Rais Ruto ni aringirite thirikari ya Wendebe na kinya kugera migwe rutere ruregani.
Basi wananchi wa Kobodo hamjambo. John Dhi wa Untie, John Dhi wa Umor, Oil, Watiek. So mimi nawauliza,